Hey, it's Antoine from ZeroClick. If you're still optimizing your content for Google like you did before AI, this one's for you. Search has changed. With tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or AI overviews from Google, users now get full answers before even clicking on a website. So the game isn't just ranking anymore. It's getting quoted inside AI-generated answers. So let's see what methods you can use to optimize your content for AI search. So your website is ranking, but your content is also being reused by AI like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or even AI overview. Classic SEO is all about ranking higher in Google, but today you also have to optimize your content to be quotable by AIs so they can reuse what you are publishing and you can get traffic from AI answers. So here comes the 1 million question: how to optimize your content for AI search. And there are plenty of options to do that. Should we optimize structure? Should we optimize tone of the voice? Should we optimize keyword and semantics? Should we optimize all of it? Harvard released a study about generative engine optimization. They have tested 10,000 queries from 9 data sources with informational, navigational, and transactional query types in 25 content domains. So that's really complete, and they tested 9 optimization methods for content. So we'll see what worked, how to implement it, and why you should do it for your own content. So here are the 9 optimizations that Harvard tries during this study. The first one is being more authoritative in the content, adding statistics, keyword stuffing, which is pretty classic in SEO, and that it worked back then. Citing sources, adding quotation, make content that is easier to understand by simplifying sentence structure and vocabulary. Optimize for fluency, unique words, and technical terms. Some of them are already really great SEO methods, and what's interesting is to see if that works with AI search. And here are the results. So as you can see, they are the big winners and the loser, which is keyword stuffing. So you should be really careful about adding too many times the same keyword in your pages, because it really doesn't perform well in AI search. For the other ones, the winners are direct quote, statistics, and site sources. Only the 3 main performing methods are referenced here. You can find the complete study in the link below. Why is it pretty logical? If you're writing quote, statistic, and citing your source, it means that you've done a real work of research about your content. It means that you've got insight that LLMs don't know about, and it means that you're bringing enough value to your readers for AI to be able to quote your stuff. So AI SEO is really about crafting content that have never been seen on Google and content that is exceptional. After testing each method, they also try to mix optimization to find the best combo for your content. As you can see in this matrix, the best combo seems to be adding statistics while optimizing content for fluency, so it's really easier to read. As you can see here, there is a visibility boost of more than 35%, which is really great. And it really means something, is that you should have, as a business, some insights about how your customers are using your product, about your customers, about what they are buying. There should be data and statistics that only you have and only you can create content about. So if you have a business today that is a SaaS, an agency, or whatever, you should really aim for having this kind of data and create content about it that is bringing value to the person that are reading it. It's the number 1 optimization you should make in order for AI to quote your content. But when we are talking about optimization, how does it work in real life content? So here are some examples extracted from the study about 3 methods: sources, statistic addition, and authoritative tone. For example, here, by just adding this kind of sources, you can have this kind of visibility boost across AI that is really huge. For statistic addition, the same way, you just have to add this kind of things in your content. That has to be proven statistic, and you've got to get the sources if it's not your insight. And for the authoritative tone, you should take a look at this example and have some sentence structure that are more authoritative. You can ask ChatGPT to do it if you want. In the complete study, we've got a GPT that is doing it really well. And finally, one quote from Google: "We aim to include content that is accurate, reliable, and clearly presented." So you should optimize for structure, but also for the value that you are bringing to users. Be really proud of your content. Craft content that is unique, that is giving some tools, that is giving some idea, that is giving some insight that have never been seen by anyone. It's how you will thrive in this new search AI era. And for the GEO study, minimal changes significantly improve visibility in GE response. So you can tweak your content in some ways that is really great to be quoted by AI. So don't forget your basics, and good luck for your content. On this channel you will find some tips to optimize for AI and to be quoted by LLMs like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google AI Overview. See you.